Okay, so this is a Saddleback leather review or unboxing. I just cut the tape on the box and removed the label, so you don't need to see that. This is the 13er thin, and my plan is to put my Pixel Slate in there, along with some other small accessories. So let's open this guy up, see what's in there. So this is it. Get the box out of the way. Alright, so there it is. 13er thin. And I'm going to go ahead and rip the paper open. Now if you do return something like I did with the other bag that I reviewed, the rounded leather bag, you want to keep that wrapping paper temporarily, at least, so you know you like it. You have to return it. So this is the chestnut color. So back pocket there. There's no side pockets on like there are on the Briefcase. I wish these little bags were a little bit longer, but this looks very nice size. Let's see. It's got a nice front pocket there. It's got a nice strap there. Okay. And then this is going to be the strap that goes over the shoulder, and then wrapping paper. Wrapping paper, more wrapping paper, hunk of leather. I guess that's like a business card or a calling card. I guess I don't know what to do with that. Keychain, if you want a keychain. It's actually, that keychain is quite thick. My other keychain that I have from them is not like that. It's not that thick, so that's nice. So there it is. Let's see if this fits in there. Hey, look at that. That's a pretty nice fit. That's not. It doesn't go very deep in there, but you know what? That covers the top, and that's kind of where it's gonna fit. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like it. It fits. If it fits, it ships, right? So that's the pocket. It's a nice little suede cover in there. That's not super thick suede in there, but it's going to be durable enough, I think. And then it's got a false bottom that I can't really get open. There we go. False bottom. And then, it's got some pockets up front for, various accessories. So this is actually pretty nice. I think this is exactly what I need. I like the Saddleback leather look. That'll go on a plane underneath the seat very easily. So that's going to be perfect. Open this guy up. Is the strap. So you can get a feel for what this bag is like. This is the 13er thin. Dave complains this is not 13 inches. He says it's 14 inches from here to here. That's probably true. It's got a nice strap. This does feel like pretty good, solid, thick leather still. Some people have complained about the quality of Saddleback deteriorating or declining over the last few years. I don't know. I think this is pretty thick leather. This feels pretty good to me. But, I guess everybody's got their own taste in what they want, so there's that.